Quick little swisher session. Hotboxing the car a little bit. Just been kicking it. Ain't much going on. Gotta go to work tomorrow. Been thinking about switching up my nutrients. I'm thinking about going all organic. But I don't really know which dry amendments I want to use. I was thinking about experimenting with lotus, and although I'm not sure if that's fully organic or not, but it's still like one of the lineups I'm thinking about trying, either lotus or something from down to earth. Be pretty sweet to get some of that Gaia Green shit, but the shipping prices are just outrageous coming from Canada. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Right now, I'm just getting ready to finish up some blue cheese and some LA Amnesia. And also, I just moved a couple of plants in the tent a couple weeks ago. I have a White Widow and a Purple Punch, I believe, up in there. They're only a couple weeks in the flower. But other than that, got some new genetics in. I got the berry pie from Cookies. I have the Skittles glue from, I want to say DNA, but I'm not really too sure. And a few other strains that I'll be starting maybe next month, maybe next year. Who knows, really? I already have a lot of other stuff going on, between indoor and outdoor. And just maybe by next year, I'll have a greenhouse, out in Pahrump, Nevada. Or maybe 2 greenhouses. So, just gotta see how that play out with the people I'm supposed to be partnering up with. Just really making this video just to really make a video. I really don't post too much on YouTube. I'm trying to be more active on it and post at least once a week, even if it's just a little nug clip or something. Right now, it might seem a little weird or whatever, but it's just like my first time really trying to make a long video for YouTube. And about halfway through my blunt, so after this blunt, that's the video. About 4 minutes in so far. Just bought a new MacBook Air with the M1 chip. Gonna be using that to do my editing on. Getting ready to purchase Final Cut Pro for it as well. And I have a new stabilizer for my phone, which I'm recording off of currently, until I get just a better camera and possibly a drone. That's kind of what I really want to get and do, is just drone, but I can't do crop videos with the drone, so I'm gonna need a little handheld camera, like a GoPro or something. But I'll be getting more like active and more like professional with my videos, my setups and everything. could be doing like a lot of unboxing videos, but like a lot of unboxing videos doesn't pertain to my grows or anything. I don't know if you guys would want to see that, but yeah, that's something I could do for the channel. Also, eventually I want to like get to the point where I'll start doing like giveaways and stuff like that, and start getting some merch made and stuff like that. Just so many things I want to do, but I really don't have the money to be investing into it just yet. And I really don't have the time to invest into it because I work full time and also have 3 children, so kind of get in the way of this whole YouTube thing. But I'll still try it. Right now I'm smoking on some platinum wedding cake from an undisclosed location out in California. But pretty much everybody out there is smoking dank, so that's kind of what it is. Right now I'm actually in Nevada, Vegas. But guess I'm just gonna wrap up this video. I don't know if anybody's gonna watch it or anything or care about anything I was just ranting about. But weed is fire. And I just want to grow the best. And pretty much it. Stay high. Stay focused. Stay hydrated. That way.